Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating data tables. It's aimed at MacEwan University students taking business computing, and you can download the Excel highlights file using the link below. So, where we left off in the last video is we had filled in this monthly payment amount. So we had built the payment function. Now we're going to fill in this large green area. So the first thing is, we need to have, in the upper left-hand corner, we need to have kind of an active formula. So in this case it says equals C5, which really just points back to this formula. But that's sufficient in order to build this data table. The data table is going to give us a whole bunch of variations. What if it was 3 years, or 4 years, or 7 years, or 10 years instead of the 5 up here? What if it was 2% or 10% instead of the 5% interest rate that we have up here? So it's a whole table of sort of variations. In order to build the data table, I have to select this range of cells. So you'll notice I'm not only selecting the blank cells, but I'm selecting the data that is on the top edge and the left edge as well. That's very important in order for us to build the data table. Then I go up to Data, I go into What If Analysis, and I go to Data Table. The data table requires two pieces of information in order to complete the table: the row input cell and the column input cell. So the row input cell, here's how I remember it. This row, this is our critical row, and it is filled with year values. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are all values that are going to substitute in place of this 5-year amount. So my clue is, since these are years, this is my row input cell. So this row substitutes into that cell. Similarly, my column input cell, these are all interest rates, and these all substitute in for this cell. So my column input cell is C3, the 5%. Click OK, and it fills in the whole table. I might want to do a little bit of formatting because these are actually dollar amounts, and I might want to make them look a little better, maybe with a comma formatting, or if I want to get even a little fancier, let's make the first row accounting, so I have dollar signs there, and the rest of them just have decimals. And that's it. We've built our data table. Thanks for watching.